what you would know. You can memorize all the vocabulary because you have prepared in your home, in your house maybe before you go here. Because you are very far away from Sarai Island, so you come here, just help us, teach us English. That's what is important. All right, keep going. Just do what you have. All right, raise up. Yeah. Be louder, please. Okay.
Alright.
All right. You know, when you say something is you don't, like, okay, today this is not good for us or for you, including for you, because this bad effect for us how to communication or like speak around the world. So you must, speak louder than louder. Okay, keep going, man.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I agree if government give remission leave for prisoner.
All right.
Although government punish him too long time, if he want to change, government cannot change him to do crime.
Oh, crime. I got it. Right. That's right.
You can open your book.
He become a burden his family because his family will spend money and time for visiting him every time.
Yeah, that's right.
Ironically, if he has wife and children, because he cannot give money for children to school, and then he cannot buy rice and fish for his family eat. Because of that, I think I agree if government give remission leave for prisoner.
All right.
Thank you.
All right. Very awesome, right?